G'day my lovely planty friends and welcome back to my channel. For anyone who is new here, my name is Kathy and this is where I talk about my plants and anything else that I am passionate about. Okay, yes, I have dyed my hair. I thought, why not? It is 2021 and I love the color. Let me know what you guys think of it. So today I am going to be doing a Plantuber tag. I was tagged by the wonderful Ali from Ali's Plants to do this tag, which was started by Scott from Scott Grows an Avocado Tree, who is actually another Melbourneite. And you guys should definitely check out both of them if you don't know them. I really think you'll enjoy their content. Anyway, I think there are 5 questions in all, and I'll put the questions on the screen for you as well. So let's get started. What plant brought me the most joy in 2020? I have to say, it's always my Monstera deliciosa. I absolutely love this plant. It is always surprising. It is always easy to look after. It gives me no grief whatsoever, and it just grows every which way. I don't think that plant has ever disappointed me. But more than that, it has been bringing out bigger and bigger leaves every time it brings out a new leaf, and I am all there for it. I absolutely love it. In fact, today I had to move some other plants because it needs more room. I don't mind. It can take over my entire house if it wants to. The second question, what is on the top of my wish list for 2021? All right, I usually don't have, I guess, what you would call an active wish list. Of course, there's always plants that I would like to add to my collection, but I don't actively go searching for them. I might have a look every few months, but it's certainly not something I do on a regular basis. But what I would really like to do, and not because they're wish list plants, is to add a couple of Hoyas. It is one genus I haven't explored. I've never owned any, and I would like to add them to my home and see how I do with them. So that is definitely something I would like to add to my collection in 2021. If I can ever find any that are reasonably priced, because the prices in Australia are ridiculous. I recently saw one on eBay, a Hoya australis Lisa, and australis is actually an Australian plant, and this went for over $600. I'm sorry, but that is madness to me, and I refuse to pay that kind of money for a plant. So I have found it quite difficult to find reasonably priced Hoyas in Australia. I'm sure I will find one eventually, but at this stage it looks like I'll just have to keep looking. The other plant that I would like to add, and this I guess is probably more of a wish list plant, one that I have been wanting to add for a while, is the Philodendron gloriosum or Philodendron glorious. I don't know if I will find it for a reasonable price. I guess I will find out, and you guys will find out too. Okay, question number 3. What's something I need to do with my plants in 2021? I really don't know. I think what I would like to do with my plants is be more successful with some propagations. I have not always been successful, and I know it's not always 100% success rate, but some of the cuttings I've taken didn't take in soil, and I think I'd like to learn how to transfer them from, say, water or sphagnum moss to soil more successfully. Question 4 is, what would I like to learn in 2021? I like to learn all the time. I'm one of these people that if something sparks my interest, I'll go and do research, whatever it is. So I really don't know if I can say anything specific. Obviously, I would like to learn more about my plants, and the longer I have them, the more I do feel I learn about them. But other than that, I think what I would like to learn is perhaps maybe animation. I am a geek, a nerd. I absolutely love tech stuff, and I love learning how to use technology and using things on the computer. And I have been developing my video editing skills, which can always do with an improvement, but One thing I haven't done or touched is animation. So I think that might be something I would like to perhaps have a go at this year. Next question, what can my subscribers expect from me in 2021? Okay. What I'm intending is to, I think, continue what I was doing last year, bringing out plant-related videos every Friday, but also including other things, such as talking about movies or books or tech, such as smart home technology or coding and things like that. I'm actually not one of these people who likes to plan too far in advance. I prefer to see where the wind blows me, I guess. So I think it's going to be a real mixed bag of content, which a lot of my subscribers are already well aware of. And I must admit, I am glad I took a break of a couple of weeks. I think I needed it. And I've come back feeling very refreshed and motivated to do more videos for you guys. And hopefully you will enjoy them as much as I will. I guess we will find out. The last question is, who am I going to tag? I'm going to tag 3 people. I'm going to tag Miro from Basic Plants. I'm also going to tag Nicole from My Clean Leaves and Emma from Emma Greenwood. And of course, it is entirely up to you guys whether you decide to do this tag or not. Well, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And as always, you can like, comment, or subscribe. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.